Starting with the name of Almighty Allah, the Merciful and the Most Beneficent. Me, Umar Nawaz, and I am the leader of my group, and I am here, and my other group member is Asfanjar Bahadur Khan. I'm here to present my project proposal, and my project name is Factors Affecting Deflection in Bending of a Beam. First of all, I have to explain what is a beam. Beam is basically used to carry loads in a whole range of different structures, and it is important for engineers to be able to predict how much a beam will deflect when load are applied to it, because the beam will deflect too much when the load is applied to it could damage the whole structures. So that's why the factors affecting the deflection of the beam are must be take under the consideration while talking about any kind of a beam. First of all, we have to go towards the introduction. Basically, bending of a beam actually means when a beam experiences a bending movement, it will change its shape, and internal stresses and internal forces will be developed, and the developed stresses causes a deflection in its shape. The scientist which worked on this phenomena was Galileo. Initially, Galileo worked on this problem, but the theory as we use it today is usually credited principally to the mathematician named Euler. Now I am going to present my purpose. It is basically the simulation based project to analyze the effect of changing loads, changing lengths, changing weights, and the modulus of elasticity. Now, objectives of my proposals are to judge the factors which affect the bending behavior of the beam, to judge the bending behavior of different materials which are taken under the loading. Now, the procedure we call it as to learn about the factors which affect the bending behavior of the beam. So basically the first factor is varying load. By step, we change the load and it can be calculated. And by step changing the load, the changing length will be calculated. And by step, the thickness will be calculated. And at last, the modulus of elasticity will be calculated. Literature review basically represent the scientists and other physicians which we really refer to make our proposal most outlooking and attractive. Ying Xiao says that study on the causes and methods of influencing concrete deflection states that sustained loading, which is always sustained, is a major factor that affect the deflection of a beam, such that greater the creep load, greater will be the deflection. Also, there are also physicists which basically represent the deflection of the beam and other certain factors. We also quote the Danny Collins, which in his article says that the higher the material's modulus of elasticity, and the higher the object's planar moment of inertia, and the less the structure will deflect under a given load. Now, at last, I am going to represent the theory. In order to see the effect of different parameters over the deflection of a beam, first the stresses can be calculated. To calculate the stresses, we will have to find the moment of inertia, and the bending moment can be calculated as in the following formula, that modulus of elasticity into the second moment of inertia over the density of the beam, and the moment of inertia can be calculated as the first integral of the height of the beam square into the differential with respect to the A equal to the cross section area of the beam. And now at last the stress can be calculated as moment of inertia into height of the beam over the second moment of inertia. Once the stress is calculated, we can find the strain as stress over modulus of elasticity. Now I am going to discuss about the softwares which we used. First we use the COMSOL Multiphysics, then we use the MATLAB, and at last we use the Microsoft Excel. Now I am going to represent the methodology. Methodology basically contains about the which are the basically factors which affect our project. Effect of the load is really helpful to determine the effect of varying load on the beam deflection. The load will be increased step by step and the resulting changes will be measured. Effect of length of the beam secondly will be calculated, and step by step the changes will be recorded. And effect of width on the beam, now to show that whether the beam thickness is a factor affecting the bending behavior or not, it will also be changed stepwise to see the effects. And at last we will conclude about the modulus of elasticity. And modulus of elasticity also affects the bending moment of the beam, and it is basically inversely proportional to the factors affecting deflecting bending moment of the beam. Now references, in references we quote the Princeton and online certain www.princeton.edu and also mit.edu, researchgate, and also other the websites and links, and also other the YouTube channels we will really concerned about that. So here was our project proposal. Thank you very much, sir. We are really helpful to you.